Hello there. Now today we've got the Vax Blade head back on the bench, this time with a split pipe. So we're going to be replacing that with a bit of luck. Now I bought this replacement from eBay. It was £5.98 delivered. It's supposed to be a better quality, reinforced to avoid future splitting. Now it comes with some fitting instructions that we shall have a look at and see if we can implement them. So let's crack on and get this thing sorted. Now the first thing we need to do is remove 5 screws from the back of the head. There's 3 here and those 2 there. So let's get them out. Now what the instructions tell you to do is to remove that. Mine just fell off, as you saw. Remove your plug. To one side. And then it tells you to separate this, pull back. Oh, mine's actually come out a bit easier than I thought. And then to unscrew this, you screw it clockwise. Like so. And also, you need to unscrew the remainder of the pipe clockwise from the head, which is where the fun might start. Oh, that's not coming out. Okay, so referring back to the instructions, well, the instructions state that if it's too tight to come out, just to pull it out, just stretch it out until it comes out. So let's see if that will work. Well, there's the wire inner. Now I'm assuming that should just come out. Oh my God. Yeah. Hang on a minute. I can see daylight here. What the hell? Okay, so I've just had a real fight with that, getting it out. Literally had to rip it out, and I'm still left with bits of the old pipe still in there. It is definitely bonded at the back there, at the end of the thread. There's no way you would unscrew that like it explains in the fitting instructions that came with the new pipe. So I'm going to continue getting what's left of it out, and then we'll have a go at fitting the new one. Hopefully putting it in is going to be a bloody lot easier than taking it out. So just bear with me while I get the rest of this rubbish out. Right, so I've managed to get it out with a pair of long nose pliers, gently poking at it and ripping at it, and it threads are reasonably clear now. There is still a little bit right in the bottom there, but I'm not going to be messing about getting that little bit out. So the next part of the operation is to take our new pipe and thread it onto here in an anti-clockwise direction. Like so. And then we thread it through the aperture and we screw it onto the head in the same manner, anti-clockwise, until it goes tight. And then the instructions say to back it half, I think it's half a turn, like so, and then it's just a case of reassembling it. So we put that back to where it was, and we put our 2 screws back in this end. Now, just to know, when you come to put the plug back in, it only goes in one way. It's got a flat base to it there, so you can't really put it in wrong. It will only go that way. And put your cover on. And that's it, job done. Bit of a fight getting the old one out, but at least it's done now. The instructions are a little bit misleading in the sense that they tell you that you could unscrew it from the head when you take it out, because you can't, it's bonded. Well, mine's bonded. I'm not saying that everybody's will be bonded, but this one certainly was. So maybe they started bonding them at some point, I don't know. But yeah, it was a bit of a fight to get the remains of it out. Anyway, that's it, job's done. I hope it's been of some help to you. Many thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.